Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I'll quickly show you one useful feature inside LemTask, which is creating a task and setting a deadline reminder. The feature is helpful because sometimes we have many tasks to complete and it becomes difficult to remember everything manually. LemTask helps keeps all tasks in one place so we can see what needs to be done, when it needs to be completed and what is still pending. Okay, so first I'm on the LemTask website. I'll click on sign in and get started. Once I click on this, okay, now I will log in with my using my account. Okay, I logged in. Okay, now what I do is I just try to create a task over here in the dashboard. Add a task. I'll write test LemTask dashboard functionality. Okay, let's go. Add a task I can use this. Test LemTask dashboard functionality. I can change here. Perfect. Next, set your energy something like that we can add over here. Then start my day. So now what I do is test here. What I these are these the set a duration. Sometime next I'll add a short description. I've added that. Now I'll choose the task priority. If the task is important, I'll select the high priority. If the task is normal work, I'll select the medium or low. So let me click on that. We can check here none. I can use this as well. Now I'll choose the task priority done. Now I'll set the due date as well. Start date is here. Set a duration 5 minutes, 30 minutes. That can be done over there. Starting date. Let me keep this from tomorrow. Perfect. Once that's selected, you can okay done. Scroll down. This is useful because LemTask can remind me before the deadline so I don't want to forget important work. After filling it in all the details, I click on save, create or add task. Now the task has been created successfully. I'll go back to the dashboard and check whether the new task appears in the task list. Okay, let me scroll up back. Yeah, I can see that this is a high priority task. This makes task tracking much easier because I can clearly see what's pending, what is in progress, and what is already being completed. This is helpful for interns, team members, managers, and anyone handling daily tasks. So to quickly wrap up, that's a quick look at the LEM task creation and decline the deadline reminder feature inside LEM task. This feature helps users manage daily work, reminder, deadlines, and complete tasks on time. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.